Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled to create those soft, voluminous curls without overdrying your hair or spending hours in front of the mirror, then you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a close look at the Ionic Long Barrel Styler, a 1-inch curling iron that promises to deliver large, bouncy curls while keeping your hair healthy and hydrated. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in. The Ionic Long Barrel Styler features a 1-inch ceramic barrel designed to create soft curls and waves with a unique twist. It's equipped with Ionic's moisture heat technology and NanoIonic MX. This combination helps maintain hair's natural moisture balance while styling, which is key for preventing heat damage. The tool's barrel is longer than typical curling irons, which makes it ideal for styling longer hair or creating voluminous curls with ease. The sleek Velvet Rouge design is not only stunning, but ergonomic, giving it a luxurious feel. When I first tested this curling iron, I immediately noticed the difference in how it glided through my hair. The longer barrel made it easier to curl larger sections, which saved a lot of time, especially on my thicker hair. It heats up quickly and is adjustable, so I was able to customize the temperature based on my hair type. I've got medium to thick hair, and this tool did not disappoint. The curls came out soft, bouncy, and natural looking, without any crunch or stiffness. One of the standout features is definitely the moisture heat technology. Typically, I find curling irons can leave my hair feeling a little dry, but this one kept my strands feeling soft and shiny. I noticed fewer flyaways too, which is always a plus. Plus, the NanoIonic MX works to seal moisture in while styling, which is a real win for anyone with dry or frizzy hair. The Ionic Long Barrel Styler really shines when it comes to ease of use. The longer barrel makes it so much easier to wrap my hair around, and the iron's lightweight reduces arm strain when doing sections at the back. I love the temperature settings that allow you to fine-tune based on your hair's needs. The 1-inch size is perfect for creating large curls or soft waves that hold throughout the day. However, it did take a bit longer to create the volume I wanted in the first few tries, but with a little practice, I've got it down. So, what are the pros and cons? Let's start with the pros. The longer barrel is a game changer, making it so much easier to curl larger sections of hair at once, which reduces styling time. The moisture heat technology keeps your hair hydrated and healthy looking, which is essential for long-term hair health. The curls themselves are soft, natural, and voluminous. The ergonomic design and sleek Velvet Rouge finish are beautiful and functional. It's also very easy to handle, which I appreciated during longer styling sessions. On the flip side, there are a couple of things to consider. The price point is on the higher end, which may be a barrier for some. Also, for those with shorter hair, the longer barrel might not be as practical. You may need to style in smaller sections to achieve the desired results. It also doesn't have a clamp, which some users might prefer for extra control, though I found the wrap and release method pretty straightforward. When it comes to value for money, the Ionic Long Barrel Styler justifies its price if you're looking for a high-quality, hair-friendly curling iron that delivers great results without compromising hair health. While you can find cheaper options on the market, few curling irons combine the advanced features like NanoIonic MX with the elegant design and ease of use that this one offers. For those who regularly curl their hair or want a tool that's gentle on hair health, this is definitely worth the investment. If you're looking for alternatives, there are some options like the T3 Lucia or the GHD Curve, which also offer great curling results with a focus on hair health. However, if you're after something that can handle larger sections and give you voluminous curls without drying out your hair, the Ionic Long Barrel Styler stands out. In terms of build quality, the ceramic barrel feels durable, and the overall design is sleek and modern. The temperature dial is easy to use, and the iron heats up quickly without any major temperature fluctuations. As for longevity, this curling iron is built to last, especially if you take care of it and avoid dropping it. There's also the bonus of the limited edition Velvet Rouge design, which is a great touch if you're someone who likes beauty tools that look as good as they perform. I've had no direct interaction with Ionic's customer service, but the brand has a solid reputation for addressing customer concerns quickly. From what I've gathered, they stand behind their products, so I feel confident in recommending this product based on the brand's overall reliability. To wrap it up, the Ionic Long Barrel Styler is a fantastic tool for creating soft, bouncy curls while keeping your hair hydrated and healthy. Its longer barrel is ideal for those with medium to long hair, and the addition of moisture heat technology sets it apart from many other curling irons. If you're willing to invest in a high-quality styling tool that prioritizes hair health, this one delivers. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in purchasing the Ionic Long Barrel Styler, you can find the link in the comments or description box. And if you've tried this curling iron, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.